Astronomy is amazing, and most people have heard about other pretty habitable planets outside our solar system. In fact, any planet that is not a part of our solar system is considered an exoplanet. However, for a few hundred years, we were never able to detect these planets because the stars in the sky outshone them. In this video, we're going to break down the genius way in which astronomers started to find exoplanets. Okay, so for over 1,000 years, we never knew that any other planets outside our solar system existed because we were never able to see them. If you look into the sky, you would never be able to see an exoplanet, but you would be able to see the stars. In 1995, researchers from the University of Geneva realized that if the star was the only thing they could observe with precision, they could determine the planet's effects on the star in two ways. In a solar eclipse, the luminosity of the sun is blocked by the moon, and in the same way, when the planet is between our line of sight and the star's luminosity drops for a bit, showing us that there is something orbiting the star, helping us find out the exoplanet. This is a way in which the researchers found the first exoplanet and won the Nobel Prize. Okay, before we get into the second method, I want to tell you guys something. Planets don't orbit around the star. And before you start screaming your minds out, let me explain. Since the planets and the star both have large gravitational forces, they pull on each other, and they both orbit what's known as the barycenter, which is the center of their masses. Now, this shows that the star is affected by the exoplanet's gravity, and so it moves and its radial velocity changes. When this radial velocity changes, the starlight emitted by the star changes its spectral lines. This basically means that when it's closer to the Earth, it emits bluer light, and when it's farther, it emits redder light. But these changes are super small and can only be detected by a super stable spectrograph. Now, in the present, however, we're able to find exoplanets through direct imaging and other more innovative ways. None of this, however, would have been possible without the help of Michael Mayer and Didier Queloz from the University of Geneva, and I hope that I said that right. So I would like to thank them here for helping us find out more about our universe. Astronomy has always been an amazing subject for me, ever since I watched Neil deGrasse Tyson's version of the cosmos. If you guys enjoy this type of content, make sure to leave a comment down below and like and subscribe. Stay curious like a child, the world needs more of it. Bye.